What's up guys, Squink here. I used to be a cop, I'm not anymore, but every single day I'm doing these videos where I walk into a brand new body camera footage and I just try to give you my genuine reaction and try to walk you through what I would have done, answering questions along the way, reacting to videos, just so I can give you a glimpse into how that cop brain is working, because there's one question that everyone wants to know, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are the cops doing over there? What are the cops doing over there? What are the cops doing under there? So I'm here to answer those questions and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. It is titled, When the Suspect Tries Arresting the Cop. Never seen it before, genuine reaction, no fancy transitions. Let's go.
On October 1st, 2024, a patrolling officer observed a vehicle traveling behind her, recklessly cutting in and out of traffic. The vehicle seemed to be following the officer, as the car would switch lanes every time the officer switched lanes. The vehicle then went around the patrolling officer and cut the officer off and slammed on the brakes. The officer then activated her lights and initiated a traffic stop. What the officer doesn't know is that this suspect has recently posted on social media, putting a bounty on law enforcement for their arrest and even their lives.
Route 12.
Wow.
Walleck, stay in your car. Stay in your car.
She knows who he is.
Okay.
Put your hands up.
It's Walleck
Put your hands
at
up.
28. Currently trying to arrest me. Walleck, roll the window down. Roll the window down. Roll the window down. Why are you stopped in the middle of the road?
I'm trying to get you to pull over. You wouldn't listen.
You cannot stop in the middle of the
I was
road.
trying to get you to pull over.
Okay, roll
Well,
the
I
window down.
did.
Give me your driver's license.
My favorite part is how she knows who he is. So
744. He just
Bean
led my stop. I'm not
has
gonna
dealt with him
pursue
before.
10-8.
The next day, the suspect was issued a warrant for his behavior during this incident. Officers arrive at his home to arrest him.
He didn't do nothing wrong, you guys! What the hell?
No, don't worry. Shh. Don't worry.
His shirt.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm going tomorrow! I wanted it there!
Hey, don't worry, everybody. Congress will know.
What was you
Don't
worried
worry.
about?
Don't worry.
True. They will
What are
know.
you worried about?
Don't worry. I'm all right now. If I end up dead tonight,
No, you
it's
better
done.
not!
I know. Everybody knows. I'm going to ask for a lawyer. All right, everyone. I gotta go.
What do you guys do?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Take it easy.
Appreciate you coming out so easy.
No
Midwest
problem.
parking. As someone who lives in Nebraska, yes, that is absolutely Midwest parking when you park on your lawn.
No problem.
That is accurate.
There, we're gonna have him pull the car up. So
Oh,
we're not
that's
marching you all the way down
fine.
the street, okay?
That's fine. Sure.
We'll explain everything to you.
Oh no, I want a lawyer right now.
That's fine.
I want a lawyer right now.
You can make some phone calls when we get to the station, okay?
That I want a lawyer.
What station?
Fox Lake.
And then they're gonna take me to McHenry, Lake County.
Correct.
I know. I want my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine.
So don't worry, okay, hon?
I love you.
I love you too.
Do you need any phone numbers, or do you have your phone with you that you can?
His shirt says Walleck 2024 president. He didn't win the presidency, just so you guys know.
I don't
Get
have
phone
no
numbers
phone
from-
on me.
Do you need to get phone numbers from?
No,
him?
I don't need no phone
your
number.
attorney?
No. I'll ask for an attorney in front of the judge.
Okay, that's fine.
Right now, I want an attorney.
Okay.
Do you want anything from the house, though, or anything to leave here?
No, like what?
Anything that you have on you that you want?
No, you can search me. I don't have no weapons.
When the car comes, we'll do that in front of the camera, okay?
That's fine
And
with
then
me.
do you need anything else?
Nope.
Perfect.
No. This will not keep me quiet.
Well, that's fine.
You hear that, everyone? This will not keep me quiet.
All right, we're gonna go to the front of the
Yeah,
car.
that's fine.
Okay.
That's your
I
right.
love you too.
That's your
You're
right,
just
Walleck.
mad because I was arresting them for cover up, corruption, attempted murder, planning the plot to kill the next president of the United States, Mr. Walleck. They're trying to keep me quiet. November is next month. This is what they do to a presidential candidate.
True.
They're imprisoning me.
That's true.
I'm a POW, folks.
She's filming for his campaign, his next campaign in 2028. And I'm going to be honest, I'm going to vote for him. So
Make sure Congress is notified. It's okay. I'm all right, folks. God bless you guys. God bless America. And when this comes out, the truth will be known on the chief of police on Fox Lake and everyone else who's involved. Goodbye, everyone.
goodbye.
It's okay, honey. Love ya. Love you.
Thanks for coming
I
out
actually-
without a problem, man. We appreciate that.
I actually kind of like him.
Lawyer. So how much dirty money you're getting paid off to cover this up? You know you're going to be looked at, don't you? You and your chief and everybody else trying to kill people. Yeah, that's what I thought. You better keep quiet. You think you guys will get away with this? This is being recorded.
So the best way to deal with this type, like I've said in many other videos, is just, it is what it is. There's no reason to get worked up for it. This is just who Walleck is. Let him be. Let him say what he wants. And if he breaks the law, this happens.
Recorded in here. And you guys will be caught for tapping in our phones too. You guys.
And there is a lot of people like this. There is a lot of people that start talking like this upon being arrested, and they'll post things on social media, and it's always wrapped up in politics and how the police are corrupt. And I get it. There are some police departments that are corrupt. I'm just making a point that we see this often. You see this often.
Guys will be caught. I'm taking everybody down that's corrupted. Don't you want to talk? What do you have to hide, officer? This is why dirty cops like you will be taken down, just like Kelly Robin, the representative of the 2nd Congressional District. She'll be going down too, just like the 2 McHenry County judges, just like the prosecutors out of the McHenry County Courthouse who framed Michelle Leader. You heard about that, didn't you, officer? No, you're shaking your head no. Why don't you want to talk about it, officer?
I don't know about it.
Yeah, you do. You investigate people, don't you? All right, then. Talk. Kidnapped her. You know who she is. My fiancé. Of course you do. Don't act stupid. And raping her? You know about that. Detective Christopher Murphy? Detective Rick Tinsley? Come on, you know about them. You know how everybody covered up for them. And they murdered her father. Come on, you know that. Talk about it, buddy. Yeah, that's right. Smile, laugh about it, think it's funny. When everybody goes to jail for murder, hey, I'll be the one that's laughing. You should be happy I'm taking down corruption. But
We
you're
are.
a dirty cop, you don't care. The American people will. They're gonna find out the truth.
Also, there are some people, it doesn't matter what you say, they will never like the cops. And I always tried to change that. I always tried to show people the human side. I always tried to operate as a human being and relate to people. But genuinely, there are just some people you can't. You can't get to see you as a fellow human being. And that's their right. That's fine.
Just watch your head as you get out.
You know these handcuffs were too tight.
The name of this suspect is Eric Walleck, and he's from McHenry, Illinois. According to him, he was a 2024 presidential candidate. Just days before the incident he had with the officer on the highway, he posted a disturbing message on social media. In his post, he mentioned putting warrants out for Illinois police officers for attempted murder, breaking and entering, and assault with a deadly weapon on his girlfriend, Michelle Leader, who he called the next First Lady, and himself. There is no reputable documentation of this ever happening to him him or Michelle. Walleck went on to state that if the officers do not turn themselves in, he will bring them in dead or alive, essentially making a threat on their lives. He offered $2 to $5 million for the law enforcement officers.
That's a
However,
good amount of money.
He never seemed to even mention the names of these officers that allegedly committed these crimes. He said that he hopes the officers want to have a shootout because that's when they will end up dead for pulling their guns on a presidential candidate. He finished his statement by saying he, the next president of the United States, will be laughing at the dead law enforcement officers that are laying on the ground. For both his post on social media and his actions on the highway, Walleck was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, aggravated assault with a motor vehicle, reckless driving, and fleeing, eluding. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. While Eric's reckless driving didn't prompt a vehicle pursuit, this next suspect is chased by an entire city of officers after he attempted to hit an officer with his car.
Turning around, he's driving into oncoming traffic. Took the exit on the 206.
I had passerbyers say that he got northbound back on 95.
Northbound back on 95.
I've got so again, we're gonna try to go ahead and catch up to him, try to box him in. He signaled forward. He's off in the ditch on the right.
While the suspect may have crashed, he still manages to direct the vehicle back on the road and is heading right towards this officer.
Whoa.
Someone get behind him. He's running. He's gonna run.
Nice little Dodge van there.
Hey, hands! Stay on the fucking ground! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Hey, put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
I got a hand.
Hand!
I got a hand.
Hey! Hey, he's got a hand! Hey, slow down! Slow down!
I got a left hand.
Ready? Ready? Roll!
Sir, you literally tried to... You did hit me head on. What are you talking about? Like, that's not good.
Hey, my right... Hold on.
Go this way.
Hey, my right leg is hooked.
Towards the road.
Man, hit me in my face. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Roll. Roll. Roll.
Hit me in my face.
Shut up, man.
Still got left.
Put your hand on your back.
I got it. Hit me in my ass.
He's the only one.
Shut up. It hit me in my ass. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Hey,
I can't breathe.
put your hands on your back. Put your hand on your back. Put your hand on your back. Cuffs. Cuffs. Cuffs.
Can't breathe.
Well, if you let us cuff you, you will get moved.
Okay, what you doing?
Now, please stop.
Do it. I can't breathe.
We're trying to get you up.
Hurry up.
Put him over on the side. Put him on the side.
Hey, he's good.
So being on the side, that's the recovery position. Did he just tase himself? Wow, dude.
Shut up.
You don't do that to a person.
You also don't ram into a police car, idiot. What used to piss me off about pursuits is the fact that they're putting everyone at risk. They're putting the entire public that's around them on the roadway at risk. It's just, it's aggravating, to say the least.
George.
Man, hit me in my ass.
George. Thank you. You was a mag. Yeah.
This car free. Man, hit me in my fucking eye. Yeah, okay, be quiet. Look at my face. Look at my face. Yeah, be quiet. Man, hit me in my fucking eye. Sit down. Yes, sir.
Nobody's hurt.
All right, nobody's hurt.
God, look at that van, dude.
They're trying to run me over.
Hey, Back in your car. Back in your car.
St. John, 422.
You good, brother? You good? Yeah. Get some patrol cars, not these. Block these 2 lanes, and let's make it a 1 lane, all right? Block this right here. Go right here. Right there.
What a disaster.
Bumpers? Yeah, we're good. All right. Yeah, bumpers. All right, you good? Yeah. All right.
This suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer with violence. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Okay, wow. Alright, well, you'll notice I didn't talk a whole lot during these videos. You'll notice I didn't pause it as much. It seems that people are very upset that I do pause it and give my opinion a lot. There's a reason I tell you where the video comes from at the beginning. I'm a commentary channel. I comment on what I'm seeing because I know from experience certain things that you guys don't. So the reason I say the title in the beginning is so if you don't want to hear me yabbering on, you can just go to the channel and watch it without my commentary. None of you have to be here, but I appreciate the ones that show up every single day and keep coming back. It seems that as we go, so do the trolls. There's people also doubting the fact that I was ever a police officer. I wrote a big long story last night, my story. I didn't have to, but I did. And you can read that under the posts sections of my channel. I was a cop, and I'll be doing a video here shortly detailing all the things I laid out in that post. So if you're interested, stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm not going to give a grade on this video. To be honest, I'm kind of sapped after reading some certain comments last night. I'm just trying to educate you guys. I'm trying to be fun, trying to be entertaining. But today I don't have it in me. And that's okay. It is what it is. We all have down days. But I still wanted to come down here, do the video, because I do them every day. And if you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.